General electrical training. Every great electrical career begins with a strong foundation. Understanding the principles of electricity is the key to safety, performance, and professional growth. At EFTI, we deliver live, instructor-led general electrical training that builds the essential knowledge every technician, electrician, or engineer needs. We offer live online scheduled courses for individual electricians, engineers, and technicians, and customized live online and in-person group training for companies with teams of electrical professionals. These are the general electrical courses we offer. Industrial Electricity Basics. This course includes a practical introduction to electrical systems, components, and safety fundamentals used in industrial environments. Reading Electrical Schematics. This course focuses instruction on interpreting and analyzing wiring diagrams, circuit logic, and control layouts used in everyday maintenance and troubleshooting. Our training is interactive. Ask questions, solve problems, and work through real-world scenarios, whether you attend online or in person. Who should attend? Our courses are designed for electrical technicians, engineers, contractors, operations, and maintenance personnel who work with or around electrical and control systems in industrial environments. Students earn CEU and Professional Development Hour credits, a certificate of course completion, and take-home materials like digital electrical handbooks and technical guides to support ongoing learning. Build your electrical foundation with professional training from the EFTI. Visit our website to explore general electrical courses and take the next step in your career.